Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at 9 best portable car lifts for home garage. Are you looking for the best residential garage car lifts? Well, this video should be your guide. Here in this video, we will show you our top portable car lifts for the home garage you can get for your car. A portable car lift for your home garage is ideal for securing work under your car. Apart from being an efficient tool for work in the garage, you can save it in your car's trunk because it can come in handy when faced with a challenge while traveling. Car lifts for home garages come in different models, types, and brands available for you to select from. However, when choosing an appropriate lift for your car, there are certain things to consider. You must consider durability, performance, strength, adaptability, and cost. It would assist in going through consumer reviews and making adequate comparisons. I will show you the 9 best portable car lifts for home garages in this video based on customer reviews, ratings, and costs. You can as well call this the best residential garage car lift. So let us run down this list of our best portable car lifts for home garages. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Bendpack 6,000 pounds portable Midrise scissor lift. This portable car lift is created for easy storage and effortless fit under light-duty cars and trucks. It is easy to hoist this lift to full height in less than a minute. This is due to its single-phase 110 to 220 volts efficient electric motor that permits effortless and fast lifting. This car lift for the home garage features a convenient motor cart that you can use as a tow handle for trouble-free movement. It is quite easy to operate, thanks to its multi-position safety lock bar and the adjustable arm assemblies. However, it is costlier compared to others. The advantages of the Bendpack portable Midrise lift is that it is efficient, strong, easy to transport from one place to another, and has a multi-purpose operation. It also comes with a variable voltage. The only disadvantage of this lift is that it is quite costly compared to others, but aside from this, it is one of the best car lifts for the money, and the best residential garage car lifts that cost very low. 2. Auto Lift Sliding Jack is perhaps one of the most affordable car lifts for home garage available in the market. This lift is fashioned for easy storage, courtesy of the ability to adjust its form easily. It comes with a 3,500 pounds capacity, variable stand extensions, and can properly fit most storage lifts with a descending rail. It is also not heavy, meaning you can carry it around since it weighs only 300 pounds. This invariably means that it can only be used for lifting light cars. The advantage of using the Auto Lift Sliding Jack is that it is quite affordable, easy to lift, and our second best car lift for the money. The disadvantage of this lift is that it wasn't constructed with a folding mechanism and comes with a low capacity. 3. Danmar Portable Midrise Scissors Lift is another car lifts for the home garage that makes it easy and efficient for you to service your car. It features a movable cart as a haul handle for easy mobility. It is adaptable due to its multi-position safety lock and adjustable arm assembly. Though it comes with a 6,000 pounds unit, it uses 120 volts power. The advantage of choosing this portable car lift for garage use is that it doesn't occupy space and is versatile. It is also strong and affordable. The disadvantage of this product is that the voltage is not variable. 4. Danmar 2-Post Asymmetric Garage Car Lift. This is yet another car lift for the home garage that a trustworthy brand creates within the home car lift industry with numerous options. This car lift comes with a weight capacity of 10,000 pounds and uses a 220 volts 60 Hz motor and an instrument with dual hydraulic direct drive cylinders to securely lift large vehicles. Other features of the Danmar DM10 ACX include 2-post car lift setup, 10,000 pounds weight capacity, 30-degree rotated single-piece columns, overall width of 143.5 inches, single-point safety release, max lifts up to 69 inches, 4.5-inch pad height. 5. A+ Lift 2-Post Home Garage Lift. It has a weight capacity of 10,000 pounds, an intuitive double S-column design, and an upgraded floor plate structure to improve its durability. Other traits of the A+ Lift HW10 kbp include 1-year parts warranty, weight capacity of 10,000 pounds, lifting height of 83 inches, overall width of 113 inches, 220 volts electric motor, drop-in pads, 50 seconds to the full lifting height, Beveled diamond plate steel with supporting bracket, the A+ Lift HW10 kbp is cost-effective and provides an exceptional all-around 2-post car lift. 6. Triumphanus 8 4-post car lift. It comes with a highly rated 4-post alternative, which securely lifts vehicles to 8,000 pounds and is intended to be driven onto. The benefit of choosing this style of home garage car lift is that you can store a car underneath the lifted car. Unlike many alternatives, the NES 8 has a time-tested design, which ensures the lifted car can be locked in position for long periods. Other features of the Triumphanus 8 include 8,000 pounds weight capacity, 110 volts motor, 2 vehicle stop plates, 2 loading plates, 84 inches in height, 175 inches in length, 93 inches drive-through width, 165 inches runway length, portable design, automatic locking in 10 positions, includes a caster kit, jack tray, and 3 drip trays. One advantage of Triumphanus 8 is that apart from being portable, it also allows you to leave lifted cars for long periods. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. 7. Quickjack 5,175,376 BL 5000 Slx Car. This is a popular portable car lift that uses a 110 volts AC motor to lift vehicles in the air. The brand offers many different models, but this BL 5000 SLX lift is designed to lift cars to 5,000 pounds in weight. This is portable and can be used both outside and inside for those with or without a home garage. The compact construction also makes them easy to store when not in use. Other features of the Bend Pack Quickjack Bl 5000 SLX include 5,000 pounds weight capacity, lifts to 24 inches, remote handheld pendant control, dual locking positions with automatic safety locks, heavy-duty 14-gauge welded steel frames, completely portable system, rubber lift block position, extended block trays, open center design. 8. Bend Pack HDS 40 lift, 4-post, 9,000 pounds capacity. This is for lifting a semi-truck or school bus. This lift with great strength comes with a 220 VAC single hydraulic motor, with both runways having the capacity to lift concurrently. This lift is very costly, and most mechanics cannot buy it due to the high cost. It is mainly used by professional mechanics of heavyweight trucks and buses to lift more than 30,000 plus pounds. The advantage of buying this lift is that it is best for lifting heavy vehicles and, as such, boasts of great strength. 9. Atlas Mr. 06 6,000 pounds portable midrise lift, a marketable portable car lift with a striking lift capacity of 6,000 pounds. This portable car lift is ideal for additional lifting height, making it best for body shop experts. This car lift features 4 locking sizes, thus guaranteeing safe function from under your vehicle. This lift is specially constructed to provide easy access to the base of your car. The advantage of buying the Atlas Mr. 06 is that apart from it coming with an additional lift height, it is also strong, with a 6,000 pounds lift. Also, it provides easy access to the underside and offers a secure operation. The sole downside of the Atlas Mr. 06 is that it doesn't have any online reviews. In conclusion, all 9 portable car lifts for the home garage discussed in this video are ideal for lifting the weight of your vehicle, and they are the best residential garage car lifts and the best car lift for the money you will spend in purchasing any. You should consider getting a 2 or 4-post car lift in your garage if it has the recommended height. All the car lifts for the home garage discussed in this video encompass each of the different types of lifts available in the market. I hope this has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video.